Okay, Katie, let's practice the words. Number 1, a shopkeeper.
A shopkeeper.
Number 2, a cook.
A cook.
Number 3, a nurse.
A nurse.
Number 4, a farmer.
A farmer.
Number 5, a
A
taxi
taxi driver.
driver. Very good. A taxi driver.
A taxi driver.
Number 6, a train conductor.
A train conductor.
Number 7, an office worker.
An office worker.
Number 8, a police officer.
A police officer.
Number 9, a teacher.
A teacher.
Number 10, a student.
A student.
Okay, now it's your turn. Okay, Katie, look at the book. Look at the book. Let's practice the sentence. He's a shopkeeper. She's a shopkeeper. Okay?
He's a shopkeeper. She's a shopkeeper.
Not peeker. Keeper. Shopkeeper.
Keeper.
Again.
Shopkeeper.
Key. Key.
Key.
Shopkeeper.
Shopkeeper.
Very good. Okay, now let's practice from number 1. She's
She's a shop.
he
She's
she's
a
shop he
shop.
what is that? Shop.
Shopkeeper.
Okay, good job. Number 2, keep going. Number 2, she's
She's a cook.
correct. She's a cook. Number 3, she's
She's a nurse.
correct. Number 4,
Uh, uh, she's a farmer.
okay, he's a farmer. Number
She's a
5,
farmer.
yeah, number 5,
He's a taxi driver.
very good job. Number 6,
He's a tree conductor.
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 Conductor. Conductor.
Conductor.
Again,
Conductor.
he's a train conductor.
He's a tree conductor.
Very good. Again, number 6, he's
He's a tree conductor.
number 7.
Office worker.
She's
She's a office worker.
office.
Office.
She's an office worker.
She's an office worker.
Number 8,
Police.
he, he's
He's a police.
a
A
what? What is it? He's a police officer.
officer.
Again, one more time. He's a police officer.
He's a police officer.
Number 9, he,
She's a teacher.
correct. Number 10,
He's a tutor.
he's a student. Very good. Again, number 6, Number 6, let's try it again. One more time. He's a
He is a train conductor.
very good. He's a train conductor. Number 7, she's
She's an office worker.
correct. Good job, Katie. Number 8,
A police
he,
officer.
yeah, he's
He's a police officer.
okay. Number 1, she's
She's a
shop,
dog,
a shop key.
a shopkeeper.
Very good. Okay, now let's move to the next page. Let's practice the questions and answers. Teacher, 老师 say, who's he, who's she? Katie says, he's blah, blah, blah. She's blah, blah, blah. Okay?
Yes,
Okay, number 1. Who's he? Who's he?
he's a farmer.
Very good. That's a big check. Number 2. Who's he?
He's a tree officer.
Train officer? Train con
A tree con
doc
tree
doctor.
conductor.
Again, who's he? He's 重复. He's a
Tree conductor.
again. He's a train.
He's a tree doctor.
No, we don't say he's a train doctor. He's a train conductor. One more time. He's a train.
And he's a tree conductor.
Very good, Katie. Number 3. Who's she? Who is she?
She's a she's a police officer.
Ah, officer. Very good. She's a police officer. Number 4. Who's he? He.
He's a tax. She's a taxi driver.
Correct. Number 5. Who's he?
He he's a
He's an
he's an
office
office
worker.
office work
He's an office worker.
office worker.
Yeah, he's an office worker.
He's a office worker.
An office worker.
An office worker.
Number 6. Who's she? Who is she?
She's a teacher.
Very good. Number 7. Who's he?
He's a tutor.
He's a student. Number 8.
He's a student.
Yes, number 8. Who's she? She's
He's
a
he's a cook.
yeah,
Cook.
she's a cook. She's a cook. Number 9. Who's he? Who is he? He's a
She is a um, shopkeeper.
Yes. Number 10. Who's she?
She's a she's a nurse.
Very good, Katie. You did a very good job. Now let's ask and answer. Is he a farmer? Is she a farmer? Yes, he is. Yes, she is. No, he isn't. No, she isn't. Okay. Your answer
Yes.
will be yes or no only. Number one, is she a farmer?
Mm, yes, she is.
Is he a shopkeeper? Number two, let's say, is he a shopkeeper?
No, he isn't.
He's a what? What is he? Who is he?
He's a cook.
Very good. He's a cook. Number three, is he a police officer?
No, he isn't.
He's
He's a mm,
he's
he, he,
an off
all,
what?
all
Off
the work.
office
Office work.
worker.
Worker.
Again, he's
He's
an office.
office worker.
Okay. Is she a nurse? Number four.
Yes, she is.
Very good. All right. You did a very good job. Okay. You did a very good job, Katie.
Yes.